ODL replacement door glass is a simple and affordable solution that allows you to transform your entry door by replacing your existing door glass. Our newest frame, ZEEL, is simple to install and gives your door an updated, clean look. Let's begin installing your new ODL replacement door glass. You will need the following tools. To uninstall traditional style door glass, you need safety gloves, safety glasses, a drywall screw, either a Phillips head screwdriver or power drill with Phillips head bit, a putty knife, painter's tape, window cleaner, and either a drop cloth or large piece of cardboard. To install ZEEL, you need a rubber mallet, tape measure, safety gloves and glasses, and a drop cloth or large piece of cardboard to protect your surface and frames. Before getting started, you need to confirm that your door is a 1 3/4 inch thick residential steel or fiberglass door, and that your new door glass is the same size as your existing door glass. Measure the thickness of your door and then measure the width and height of the existing door glass frame from outside edge to outside edge. This video features a 22 by 64 inch door glass, so the maximum width of the existing frame is 24 inches and the maximum height is 66 inches. Follow the chart for other door glass sizes. Once you have confirmed your measurements, you are ready to remove your existing door glass. While some of our smaller sizes can be removed and installed vertically, we recommend laying your door flat when working with large door glass like this one. Remove protruding hardware and take your door off its hinges. Carefully lay down your door with the inner frame facing up. Using drywall screws and either a screwdriver or a drill, remove and discard all screw hole plugs. Unscrew each of the screws to separate the inner frame. Depending on the condition of your exterior door, the glass might be loose after removing the inner frame. Carefully reach under the door and push up on the glass to remove. Remember to always wear your safety gloves when handling the glass. If your glass is still stuck to the outer frame, leave it intact for the next step. Flip the door over to remove the outer frame. You will likely need to pry it off the door. Start by applying painter's tape to protect the outside surface, and then insert the putty knife between the outer frame and the door. After the glass has been safely removed, spray window cleaner around the outer frame's edge to help release buildup and carefully scrape away any old or excess caulk and dirt from the frame openings. You're now ready to install your new ODL replacement door glass with ZEEL frame. Before unpackaging your new door glass, find a solid surface to do your installation. Do not use soft surfaces like carpet or grass. Use a drop cloth or sturdy cardboard to protect your floor and new frames. You can also break down the box your glass came in. Start by setting the door aside and laying your unpackaged glass flat onto your solid surface. Make sure the outer frame, the one with the silver clips, is face down. Your new glass unit will come in the shipping position, meaning only the small tabs are inserted into the clips. Gently pull the inner frame up to release the small tabs from the clips. Rotate the frame and set aside. Check each clip and make sure that they are all sticking straight up. Using two people, carefully lower your door onto the unit, making sure the outside of your door is face down. Do this very slowly and check that each clip is still straight and directly between the glass and the door. Once you've confirmed that all of the clips are in the correct position, lower your inner frame onto the door. Remember to make sure you've rotated the frame from the shipping position and that the longer tabs now align with the clips. Use the guide arrows to confirm connection. Examine the entire perimeter of the frame and gently engage each long tab into the silver clips using your hands. After confirming that all tabs and clips are engaged, take your mallet and hammer your frame at each clip location using about 50% force. Avoid hitting between the clips. Check the frame for major gaps and re-hammer at those points, still only using 50% force. If a gap is not resolving, you might have a clip that isn't properly engaged. Carefully pull up on the frame to slide the tab into the clip. Continue to check for gaps and re-hammer, increasing in force until there are no gaps. Press down on the door to compress the resolved sealant. Flip the door over and hammer the outer frame. Once you've confirmed that there are no gaps on either side, you are ready to put your door back on its hinges and enjoy the difference your brand new ODL door glass can make in your home.